What's good, what is good, my sizers? We're back again with another video, and today we're at the Mirage Hotel about to tour the Mirage Penthouse Suite. So when you walk in, you're immediately greeted by the open floor plan of the living room. Then you have the dining room on the right hand side, and the entryway to their bedroom. Now when you walk into the room, you see like a partial sofa on the left, and as you can see part of the view, you can see most of the strip throughout that view. And the bed. Now at the foot of the bed is this like machine thing, and basically what it is a fireplace. So I thought that was really cool. It's not like a TV or anything. The headboard also goes all the way to the ceiling, but yeah, that's not a TV. It's like, if you look closely, it's a fireplace. So that was really cool. And then you have the bathroom itself. Look how big the bathroom is. Like, look at all that counter space, and then of course you have your shower and the bathtub itself. So there's an area behind this shower that's open. You walk through that area and you're led by the closet, and there's shelves and a couple of dressers, or drawers I should say, inside of the closet, along with the ironing board. But like, look how much space that is for some shelves. Like, that was really cool. That's a lot of shelves. Like, if anything, the man could have the shelves and the wife could have the hanging, like, closet area. And they also have a vanity at the end of that little hallway area. But the cool part about this is the bathroom. When you walk into the bathroom, they have a bath broom, like the toilet bowl, and a duvet. I believe that's what they call that. This is what the view looks like. As you can see here, it's just more towards the strip than anything, so you have a nicer view of that. And this is what the back of the doors look like of the entryway. As you can see, they have like spaced out mirrors on them. It was actually a really cool door. They do have a bar area to the left of the door, and behind that is a microwave that you can stock yourself. It's not like a weighted microwave or anything like that. And this is another close-up of the living area. It has a couch and 2 chairs. And this is a close-up of the bar. Now that is a weighted tray in the top right, and then next to that is your ice bucket and a couple of cups. But this is a refrigerator that you could fill up yourself. It is not weighted, and they don't charge you extra for it. This is what the dining room looks like. It's just a basic standard table with 4 chairs and a centerpiece for the table. But it's nice and open, and you could see the living room through it. And if you keep your double doors open that lead to the bedroom, you can also see that as well. This is another view of the bedroom. And the silver portion of the headboard is real too. Like, that's actually like gems or however that works. But this is another view of the fireplace. Again, that's not a television. At least I don't think so, because I couldn't find a TV remote. This is another view of the bathroom. This portion of the bathroom, though, was quite large. But alright, you guys, that's all the time I have left for this video. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what your thoughts are on the penthouse suite at the Mirage. And be sure to smash that subscribe button down there if you liked it. Toodles!